Our call of the day suggests Nifty set for positive start as bulls will aim for 7th straight day of gains. The positive catalyst, FIIs were net buyers in yesterday's trade to the tune of Rs. 442.20 cr. Caution may however prevail on any excessive strength amidst 1. Wavering and uninspiring global cues. 2. India's trade deficit widened sharply to $41.68 billion in October 2025, up from $26.23 billion a year earlier and far exceeding market expectations of $29.4 billion. Bottom line, volatility is likely to be the hallmark amidst weekly Fando expiry. Technically speaking, Nifty is signaling a massive breakout on the upside, and we believe the benchmark should hit its all-time high sooner than later. The Gyan Mantra: stay optimistic as long as Nifty holds above the 25,740 support zone. Dips remain buying opportunities in the near term. Market trends. The global cues are slightly negative. In Monday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net buyers to the tune of Rs 442 crores, while DII were net buyers to the tune of Rs 1466 crores. Bullish Nifty sentiment is likely to prevail. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals suggest massive upside breakout. Fando November month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 25,000 and 26,500 zone. India VIX, the fear index, is trading near 11.79 levels. At last check, USD INR, November, was trading near the 88.66 levels. Nifty PCR, 25th November, is at 1.01 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 25th November, is at 1.14. Nifty outlook. The undertone remains positive amidst three positive catalysts. 1. NDA landslide victory in Bihar, reinforcing political stability and market confidence. 2. India's retail inflation sliding to a record 0.25% in October, well below the RBI's tolerance band, strengthening hopes for a December rate cut. 3. US-India trade deal hopes. What technicals tells us on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty, CMP to 6013. Biggest interweek support for Nifty is now placed at 25,921 on closing basis. Immediate interweek resistance is placed only at 26,277 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 25950 and 26200. Bias for the day is positive. Sensex, CMP 84951. Biggest interweek support for Sensex is now placed at 84,581 mark on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at 85,978 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 84,700 and 85400. Bias for the day is positive. Bank Nifty, CMP 58963. Bank Nifty's biggest intraday support at 58,600 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 59,300 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 58,700 and 59300. Bias for the day is positive. Stock market news. Nifty started Monday's trading with a strong, decisive gains, reinforcing the view that bullish momentum may soon become the new normal on Dalal Street. This week, all eyes will be on the FOMC minutes from the latest meeting to trickle in this Thursday, 20th November. The minutes will offer deeper insight into the Federal Reserve's thinking after it lowered the federal funds rate by 25 bps at its October 2025 meeting, bringing the target range to 3.75%, 4.00%. Stocks in spotlight. 1. Kotak Mahindra Bank, plus 1.13%, gained ahead of its board meeting on 21st November to consider a stock split. 2. Siemens, plus 4.99%, rallied on strong revenue growth, although Q4 profit dipped 7.1% YoY due to a high one-time base. 3. Narayana Hridyalaya, plus 15.20%, surged as Q2 profit climbed 30.1% and revenue grew 20.3% YoY. 4. India Glycols, plus 5.9%, soared after reporting 30.9% profit growth and a 13.6% rise in Q2 revenue. 5. Hutco, plus 5.98%, gained post-results, net sales rose 27.85% YoY to 3,219 crore rupees in September 2025. Quarterly net profit increased 3.08% to 709.83 crore rupees, while EBITDA grew 16.51% to 3,104 crore rupees.